really important for us as a family to get our kids out in these types of environments. It's pretty reclusive. We're on steep, hard terrain. Usually we're trying to find a game trail to hike into the mountains. What that does for our minds is it's clarity. One, you forget everything about what's going on in the real world and you try to focus on what's the right path of travel. Animals, keeping your family together, but most importantly, motivating your young kids. When my kids come out on hikes, they turn into different people when we're done. It's just like getting into the gym and working out. Their minds are flourished with the wildlife and the amount of different things that they are capable of finding and looking at. It's a fascinating study, I guess, if you want to say, that we've been able to create. They change their dynamics in the way that they are, their behavior is, especially if they eat sugar. I can see it in them. But anyway, so what it does for my kids is something spectacular. It's a wonderful piece of the pie to raising a child to interact, to be open-minded, to not close their mind, and figure things out. I like to let my kids lead. I really like to let them take us home, finding game trails, best routes possible. It's like a brain game. It's interactive. It's something that you can't find in school. So that's the reason we do these types of things.